Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's incredibly important but often overlooked: how to control your emotions as a man. Society has long perpetuated the myth that men should be stoic and unemotional. But the truth is, emotions are a fundamental part of being human. Learning to understand and manage them can lead to a healthier, more fulfilling life. So, let's explore some practical strategies to help you master your emotions. Firstly, it's crucial to recognize that emotions are not a sign of weakness. They are natural responses to our experiences and can provide valuable insights into our inner world. The key is not to suppress these emotions, but to understand and channel them effectively. Start by identifying your triggers. Pay attention to situations that provoke strong emotional reactions, whether it's anger, frustration, or sadness. Keeping a journal can be incredibly helpful in this process. Write down what happened, how you felt, and why you think you reacted that way. Over time, you'll start to see patterns and can develop strategies to address these triggers constructively. Mindfulness and meditation are powerful tools in emotional regulation. By practicing mindfulness, you train your brain to stay present and reduce the tendency to react impulsively. Meditation, even just a few minutes a day, can help you build a habit of observing your thoughts and feelings without judgment. This practice allows you to create a space between stimulus and response, giving you more control over how you react to situations. Physical exercise is another effective way to manage emotions. Regular exercise releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters. It also provides a healthy outlet for stress and anxiety. Whether it's running, lifting weights, or practicing yoga, find an activity you enjoy and make it a regular part of your routine. Building a support network is also essential. Surround yourself with people who understand and respect your need to express emotions. This could be friends, family, or even a professional therapist. Talking about your feelings with someone you trust can provide perspective and reduce the burden of carrying emotions alone. It's also important to practice self-compassion. Men often face immense pressure to meet certain societal standards, which can lead to self-criticism when they fall short. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding that you would offer a friend. Recognize that it's okay to have emotional ups and downs and give yourself permission to feel. Lastly, developing emotional intelligence can significantly enhance your ability to manage emotions. Emotional intelligence involves being aware of your own emotions, understanding how they influence your behavior, and being able to manage them in healthy ways. It also includes empathy, the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. Enhancing your emotional intelligence can improve your relationships, reduce stress, and lead to better decision-making. In conclusion, controlling your emotions as a man doesn't mean suppressing them. It means understanding, managing, and expressing them in a healthy and constructive way. By identifying triggers, practicing mindfulness, staying active, building a support network, practicing self-compassion, and developing emotional intelligence, you can take charge of your emotional well-being. Remember, it's a journey and it takes time, but the benefits are well worth the effort. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others who might benefit, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Let's continue this conversation in the comments below. How do you manage your emotions? We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Until next time, take care and stay emotionally healthy.